Hello, my name is Muhammad Fayaz and I am teacher in internal medicine and JASU. Now we are going for very important investigation, that is ECG. We will be discussing how to put leads and how to discover the proper area where to place the lead, because most students they don't understand from where to start. Okay, if in the exam the examiner asks you, let's perform ECG, and you don't know about how to perform, so it is very negative point from our side. Okay, that's why we provide you ECG machine and it's working, its original machine. We will be performing now one by one. Okay, so first we will go for the hexaxial lead. This is usually limb lead, or you can say this is a limb lead. We can put this on limbs. Okay, okay, on the right and left feet. Okay, on the hand, and okay, so it must be around the heart. And what they do, this lead do, they are like camera. Okay, they are like camera. They scan the heart. If there is some problem, for example, from here we put the EVR. Okay, the EVR lead keep eye on the heart from the right side and scanning from any problem, from any necrosis, from any disease. So from here it's scanning by EVR. Okay, so this why around the heart, the heart is scanning by the hexaxial lead. Then from front we don't have any lead in camera, so for front we have the chest lead. They are 6 in number, and 6 we have hexaxial lead. Okay, so let's start from the hexaxial lead to put. Okay, like I said before, we have formula of semaphore. Okay, road light, and the road light at the upper side we have what? Red. Then beneath yellow. Then huh? Green. Okay, and we have black. Okay, so this way we are going to put this, and you remember like this from the right side. Okay, from right side, can you put some gel here? Okay, gel. Okay, this is right side. Okay, so let me put here. Is it gel? Gel. Okay, put this here. No, don't put. No, don't put. Okay, one by one, because in the video, and now the red. Okay, put the gel here. Okay, it must be, the contact must be normal. Okay, this black here. Put the gel here. Okay, some more, because there's a lot of here. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now it's ready. Okay, we already put the right, the left, and if you don't remember, you remember that formula of road light. Okay, upper side red, then yellow, then green, then black. Okay, now we are going for chest lead. This is somehow tricky. Okay, pay attention. How to find the correct place? Okay, everybody know that where to put the first lead, where to put the first lead, and the first and intercostal space. But if I ask, let me find out where is the uh, fourth intercostal space, so they would not be able to find, because it need formula to find. How to find? Put your two hand over here. What is this? This is suprasternal notch. And when you move your both finger downward, so here we have a ridge. This ridge is called angle of Lewis or sternal angle. And this is the body between the sternal, this is the partition between the sternal body and the manubrium sterni. Okay, and on both sides beneath we have the second intercostal space. Okay, second intercostal space. Then you can move space by space downward, and the third intercostal space, this is third intercostal space here, and we have fourth intercostal space. In fourth intercostal space we are going to put lead 1. Okay, but as much near you can put, it will be okay for that, because the fat content here at the peripheral side, if you put here, okay, at the peripheral side the fat content increases, and this is very bad conductor for electricity. So try as much as near to the you put to the sternum, so it will result excellent. Okay, then on the other side we have the same intercostal space 4, so this is for lead 2, should be put here. And then okay, now it is the time to put the fourth lead on the fifth intercostal space on the mid clavicular line. This is the fifth intercostal space on the mid clavicular line. Now we already put it. And the third is simply be putting between the second and fourth lead. Now this is the time for fifth. Okay, fifth is put on the interior axillary line in the fifth intercostal space. Okay, it's the fifth intercostal space also. Okay. Okay, now we have the six usually put on the mid axillary line at the fifth intercostal space. Okay, all other in the fifth intercostal space, but you have to change the imaginary line. Now we are going to start ECG. Is it correctly? Now we are going to start ECG machine, and let's see what would be the result. Okay, it is on auto. Yeah, all lead working normally. The heart rate is 91, because 86, sorry, the heart rate is 86. Let's start. The speed is 25. Okay, the speed is 25. Here you can quick please. Okay, so this is the first lead, this is the second lead, and this is the third lead we already put, and this is the AVR. If this is negative, so the procedure and performance is correct. If this is positive, the procedure and performance is incorrect, and you have to repeat again. There will be problem in the apparatus or problem with the lead placement. Okay, so here we have V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, and now this is the last. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Made Up to Date channel.